Hi guys, it's me Sam. Hey guys, there. Hi guys, for today's video, we were going to the hospital because for some reason, and also we were going to the Manila for the travel and also for the date of my two cousins. So I'm going to get ready. Samir going to take me in the bus station. Yeah, because we were going to commute. Guys, I'm ready and then we were going to the terminal of the bus. I'm here at the terminal of the bus. I will show you. Hey guys, there. I'm going to wait for them. We are here at the Mang Inasal. We're going to eat here. We ate on the only rice, only soup. Yeah, because Filipinos love to eat many rice. We're going to use our hands. Yeah, because we love to use our hands. Soup, guys. We love soup in the rice. Guys, our food are served. We were going to eat. I'm eating, guys.
As well as the stored
National
value card
Museum.
or single journey ticket that you will be using.
Pag wala kasing ID, hindi na ano.
Their location.
Magbasan kayo ng mga daladalahin ng isa't isa. Duration 6.
We buy some water. Guys, we are in the market. I think this is a food bazaar. See, there's a fountain. Ayun! Ayusin mo natin yung tingin. Cutie! Ano yun? Cutie! Ito. Mahiya. Hindi talaga yan sumama. Guys, this is my boat cousin. Ima and Yula. Yes. Buti naman.
May bun? Ikaw, ano sa'yo? Wala dito. Tapos,
Fresh fruits. Fresh tree. Hey. The straw is super cute. Super big.
Aral, huwag kayo mag-hoop. Kala mo ha.
ay, dito.
This is our food for today.
Tara, kain.
And the very next day, give it away. This year, save me from tears. Guys, the fountain is so beautiful, like me. KKK.
Takbo tayo dun ah.
Saan?
Takbo tayo.
I heart Manila. This is our capital in the Philippines. Yeah. Hmm? Beautiful. Beauty. Thank you. O, paano ba? Guys, cutie. Line is very long. Uy, so cutie. Wow. Ah, so long. We are waiting for our service. Joke lang.
Driver.
Yeah, we are waiting for the driver. They are going to send me home. Thank you, guys. Hey. Guys, I just wake up and this is the end of my travel video. So I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comments, and share. And for those watching my all reels in Instagram and also in YouTube and also my vlog, thank you very much. I love you very much. Bye guys.